The Bangladesh Cricket Board has finally given a NOC to Shakib Al Hasan, but there's a little twist. What is that twist? I'm going to be telling you. Uske baad dekhenge, do England players actually use women's deodorants before their matches? Ben Stokes reveals it, and I'm going to be telling you iska kya pura kissa hai. And sabse ant mein dekhenge, which Indian cricketer is Rawalpindi Express Shoaib Akhtar all praises for. Hello everybody, welcome to News Tracker. This is Cricket Tracker, your one-stop destination for the latest news in the world of cricket. Before I begin the video, if you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to Cricket Tracker, jaldi se kar dijiye. My name is Nivedna Prabhu, and without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. So many times you've heard of some cricketers being superstitious or probably having a certain ritual before a match, but have you ever heard of an entire team using women's deodorants before a match? Well, if there's one team who's actually doing this, it's the England cricket team. No, I'm not saying that. Ben Stokes has revealed that they like to use women deodorants because it smells better. He went on to say that the pomegranate scent is his favorite. And when he was asked in the interview if it was just him, he said, no, the entire squad uses it. What do you all think about this certain practice that the England cricketers do? Definitely comment and let me know. If there was one debutant who performed exceptionally well in the first ODI against England in Pune, it had to be Prasidh Krishna. And now the Rawalpindi Express Shoaib Akhtar is all praises for Krishna, as he managed to, of course, pick 4 out of 54, and more than that, this was the first ever Indian bowler to be performing that way in his first ODI. Now, quite a start for him, but Shoaib Akhtar said that he's quite impressed with Prasidh Krishna. In fact, he went on to say that as a fast bowler, it's all about the guts and the kind of form you're in, and Prasidh Krishna looked absolutely in amazing form. And he was also surprised of Prasidh Krishna's comeback, because initially he was being beaten for runs, but the way he came back and scalped 4 wickets, he's definitely impressed with the young lad. Are you all happy with Prasidh Krishna's performance as well? Definitely tell me in the comment section below. Well, ever since Shakib Al Hasan decided to play in the Indian T20 League, there was a lot of tension brewing between the Bangladesh Cricket Board and Shakib Al Hasan. Now, the problem was that Shakib chose to play, or rather participate in the IPL than participate in the Test series for Bangladesh, which is what caused all that friction. However, the Bangladesh Cricket Board has now granted him that much needed NOC to play in the Indian T20 League. Now, Shakib is all set to play for the Kolkata team, and he was of course picked by the franchise on February 18th in that mini auction for 3.2 crores. Now, the little twist that comes with this no objection certificate is that it's only valid until May 18th, which means that Shakib might have to return to play against Sri Lanka for the ODIs. Well, उसी के साथ दोस्तों ये वीडियो यहीं पर खत्म होता है. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow, and of course hit the bell notification icon so that you know when we're back with more such exciting videos in the world of cricket. Now, before I go, I want to ask you this: how excited are you to see Shakib play for Kolkata? What kind of predictions are you making? And most importantly, with IPL just around the corner, comment section में मुझे बताइए which IPL team is going to be lifting that cup. My name's Nivedna Prabhu. Bye-bye. I will see you very soon. Until then, as always, take care and stay safe.